Lily just shoved herself whole body in that little feeder. She is a funny little lady. She's been busy because look at that. She just put her whole body. She's digging for a specific peanut. Is she looking for a specific one? Isn't that silly? She's so silly. Up, then she just dumped it on the floor. Is there a specific peanut? A special peanut we're looking for? Oh, that is just hysterical. So this is one of 2 feeders that we have put out, and several water stayed up. She just dumped it on the floor. Ah. I have no idea what this little squirrel is doing. Oh, Jesus, she is. She's taking the peanuts and dropping them on the floor. She must be looking for a specific yummy peanut that must taste different than the others. Oh, this is hysterical. This is what you call diva squirrel. Diva. She needs to have the perfect peanut. She is looking for the perfect peanut. She's very silly. I love watching them. I could watch them all day long. They are so funny, aren't they? She doesn't chew on those corn cobs. She scratches it and waits for it to fall down, and then she eats the corn. Do you see her putting the peanuts on the floor? This is why it's worth subscribing, because these little squirrels are just hysterical. Thank you guys so much for watching. She's just going to keep digging away.